Ooh, I don't got my ears on. Let me fix that real quick. Hi, everyone. This is an SAP FICO training video for accounts receivable. Within accounts receivable, you have taxes. Within taxes, you have taxes in accounting and financial accounting invoices and tax determination in the sales process. So we're going to go through all of these in today's um, training. Okay. These videos are helping you on your SAP FICO training journey. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what kind of day you're having. I hope you all are having the most beautiful day that you can possibly have. So, without further delay, in accounts receivable, what is used to determine taxes? Sales tax codes. How are sales tax codes entered? They are usually entered manually in financial accounting invoices. They are automatically determined in integrated sales and distribution billing documents. Switching focus to tax in financial accounting invoices. When an outgoing invoice is manually entered directly into financial accounting, how is tax determined? The tax code is manually entered, or a substitution is in place that can determine the tax code automatically. What transaction is used to post a customer invoice into financial accounting manually? FB70. In FB70, where do you enter the tax code? In the header section in the Tax tab. This is FB70. Enter tax code here. Enter tax jurisdiction code here. The tax jurisdiction code will use the tax rate based on a specific U.S. jurisdiction. If the Calculate Tax checkbox is selected, the system will automatically calculate tax. Additional configuration is needed to make this work. Set up tax codes, which was described in financial accounting global settings. Additional configuration is needed to make this work. Enable tax codes in the outgoing financial accounting invoice enjoy screen, which was described in AR business transactions. Switching focus now to tax determination in the sales process. How are tax codes determined in the sales process? Automatically, using the same condition technique used by other elements of the pricing procedure. Where is tax found in the pricing procedure? Tax is a separate condition type on the sales order level. To get to this screen, you follow a menu path where you Eventually double click the condition type UTXJ, tax jurisdiction code. The system determines tax codes 00 based on the condition record found. Tax determination in sales uses a similar condition technique as purchasing to automatically determine the taxes. Condition, access sequences, and condition tables. Special pricing conditions for taxes can be used to determine the proper tax code based on the fields configured for use in the condition tables. Menu path to define a condition type. Sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, pricing control, define condition types. Select set for pricing. The system shows the sales condition defined. The standard SAP condition for output tax is MWAS, which can be copied and customized. Double-click MWAS. Condition class. This field determines the usage of the condition type. In our case, it is set to D, taxes, which defines this condition as a tax condition. Calculation type specifies the type of calculation and is set to a percentage because the output sales tax should be calculated as a percentage. Condition category classifies the conditions and for tax conditions should be D tax. Item condition should be selected for taxes because this checkbox ensures that the calculation occurs at the item level, which is required for taxes. Item condition is here. Where'd you go? Item condition. Item condition. Click Records for access. This is where the records for access are maintained for condition types, which determine the tax codes. Let's define our own custom access sequence ZMWS, a copy of MWST, but accesses different tables. Menu path to set up access sequence, sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, pricing control, access sequences, sets access sequences. Confirm cross-client warning message. This brings us back to the same records for access screen. Click the gray box next to MWST to select the row. Click the copy icon. Rename the new access sequence ZMWS. Change the description to tax on sales. Select accesses. Just so you know, each one of these rows is an access. Now, Let's modify the condition table to access. The sequence of their access is determined by the step number in the first access column. The exclusive checkbox controls whether the system will stop searching for a record after the first successful access finds a value. Select the first step. Click Fields. These are the fields being used by the condition table access sequence. The country ALAND and destination country LAND fields are used in our access sequence. When searching using this step, the system will look for matches in both the sending and destination countries of the goods. If a match exists, the tax code maintained for the combination will be determined. Condition records are considered application data and can be maintained in T code VK11. Menu path to maintain condition records. Logistics, sales and distribution, master data, conditions, select using condition type VK11 create or enter T code VK11. Type condition type MWST. This pop-up window will ask for a combination of characteristics for which you want to create records. These are dependent on configuration of the condition record. Select departure country / destination country. Click Choose. This is the condition records. Enter the source country. Enter the source country that goods or services are sent from. You can enter multiple records per destination country. Tax classification 1. The tax classification indicator, which is maintained in the customer master records, normally specifies whether this business partner is liable for or exempt from taxes. Tax classification material. The tax classification indicator, which is maintained in the material master records, normally specifies whether this material is taxable at the full rate, a reduced rate, or not at all. Valid to and valid from. In this field, you'll specify the validity period of the tax code. Tax rates change, and with these fields, you have the flexibility to add more condition records when the tax rates change. Tax code should be assigned automatically when the criteria outlined in the condition record are met. Sales documents that match these condition criteria will automatically receive the assigned tax codes. Thank you. That concludes this training video. If these videos are helping you on your SAP FICO journey, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the chat. Let me know if this information was clear to you. Thank you all for your time, and as always, till next time, peace.